everyone, how are you guys doing? Thank you so much for joining my channel. Now for those of you that are joining, of course, for the first time, my name is April. I am a resident radiology technologist here on YouTube, and you're a mother on social. And basically my other channel focuses on my career as a radiology technologist, but I wanted to talk about beauty because I know a lot of times we go to work every day 9 to 5 to stay alive, honey, and we don't have time to be spending our money on all this beauty-ish. We don't have time to be on YouTube watching 1,500 videos trying to find that one piece of information, which is it good enough to wear at work? So this is what this channel is going to be about: information on how to save you money, information on what products are really good that you should purchase, and what products you should just stay away from. So I watched a video on YouTube because I was having issues with my Fenty primer. I was having issues with the pump. It was not working anymore. And I also had problems with my Fenty Beauty foundation because I was almost at the bottom, and I wanted to be able to get in and scrape out that product. And there were no videos on YouTube except for one, which the lady clickbaited all of us. She told us she had did a video before, and in the video she showed that her primer could actually do this. She said she was gonna make another video and show us how to do it. Well, the video was clickbait. She did like a minute or 2 minute long video about how people want to know how to do this and how she's gonna show us. And at the end of the video, honey, there was nothing. Okay, nothing. So I know a lot of you have been wondering, how can I depot my Fenty Beauty? Because this is like a glass bottle. If it's not glass, it's like a hard plastic, but I believe it's glass. And you can't twist this top off. There's no way to twist it off. So I actually figured out a way and discovered a way to depot this. So I'm gonna show you the items that you're gonna need in order to depot this bottle right here. And I'm gonna show you the process. No clickbait, no nothing like that. But I want you guys to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up if you really like it. It really means a lot to me because I'm not a beauty influencer or a makeup artist. I'm just someone who is honest and someone that is a consumer who uses these products on a daily basis. And there are gonna be some products on my channel that you're not gonna like, but as a African-American woman who spends her own dollars and makes her own coins, I'm gonna do what I want on this channel. And trust me, the things that I do and I bring on this channel can benefit you guys, because it's gonna help you save money and it's gonna help you get an honest review that I'm not being paid by sponsors or anything like that. Not saying that that won't happen in the future, but as for now, these reviews are going to be products that I spend my money on, and trust me, I will be able to tell you guys if it's good for work or not good for work. When you're going to work every single day, you want to make sure that there are products that you will use that will sustain you and maintain this beautiful look, okay, throughout the day. So I'm going to be coming on and showing you guys simple beats that I do in order to look smashing at work. And also those beats when you want to turn up for the office party or Christmas party or a team building type function, you guys will get that information here. So with that being said, let's dive right into this tutorial. So the first thing you're going to need is pliers, some form of pliers. You're going to need a little makeup spatula. I got this one, I think, from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. It's really convenient. And then an empty container. I have this empty Tatcha container with the water cream. There's nothing in there anymore. I cleaned it out. Or you can use one of these little mason jars also to keep things fresh. I'm going to store the foundation in that. So I have my Fenty foundation right here. I believe my color is 420. As you can see, the pump is just disgusting. I know you guys. I know it looks disgusting. I'm sorry. But I have just a little bit of that left in a jar. And as you can see on the primer, I've already accomplished taking it off. It came off in like less than 20-30 seconds. So we're gonna try our attempt at the foundation. So I'm popping off the top, and you're gonna pull out the inner portion of the pump. This is the part that has a little spring in it that allows you to pump it. Now the reason why I wanted to do this also was because my primer, the pump didn't work anymore. So we're just gonna toss that to the side, honey. And then as you can see on the inside, there's another inner part to that. We're gonna pull and yank that out also. And it gave me some difficulty, you guys, but trust me, just keep working at it, and then that piece will come out. As you can see, there's another plastic piece in there, but it's still not out, you guys. So now we're gonna pull, and out comes the tube that's attached to the pump head. So now, as you can see right into the container. I'm gonna so I just removed the closure device from around the sides, and now I'm going to just let that drain and drain that foundation out. I'm gonna then take the spatula and try to scoop some of that out, but I'm just gonna let it drain as much as possible. It's like watching barbecue sauce drain. It's like, I wanted to take some water and pour it in there and shake it around and pour the rest out, but it's not barbecue sauce, okay? It's foundation. We don't want to mess up the formula of the foundation, because Fenty foundation is amazing, and so is the primer. And so I'm just trying to scoop all of that out, and as you can see, the bottle is starting to come clean. So I'm just gonna allow that to drain off to the side. But as you can see, I put it in a mason jar, so that way I could just dip my brush in there, as opposed to having to scoop it out, put it on the back of my wrist and do that again. So now I'm gonna take the primer and I'm gonna put it in this Tatcha empty container. We wanna learn to recycle, you guys. We don't have to throw everything in the trash when we're done with it. We need to learn to recycle. So I'm trying to get all that primer out and put it into that container, and the depotting process was successful, quick and easy. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up. Share it out on your blog. Share it out with your friends and followers on Facebook and Instagram, that you guys finally have a video that will show you how to depot this specific bottle, the Fenty Beauty primer or your Fenty Beauty foundation. I thank you guys so much for watching and enjoying this video. If you're interested in the products that I have on my face, I will definitely leave those products listed below for you guys. And with that being said, you have a blessed day, evening, or night, whatever time of the day it is that you're watching. And I'll see you guys in the next look. And remember to work that makeup.